हमने 2 प्रोविजंस आपको रेफर किए थे आइन के।
जी सर, I reserve my
you're not
opinion.
entitled to reserve.
No.
You have to answer.
No,
We can reserve.
my answer is no. I reserve my opinion on the issue of constitutionality. I
We are
don't think
asking
it's a
your
good
opinion.
I don't think it's a good thing, but it shows institutional hypocrisy on the part of the
So what
election.
about yourself?
सर, JUIF की सेम क्लॉज है, मैं उसके पेज आपको दिखा।
देखिए, पहली बात,
और उनको माइनॉरिटी की रिजर्व सीट दे दी है।
नहीं, पहली बात उन्होंने कहा कि हमारी ऐसी कोई प्रोविजन
मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ।
चलिए, वो हमारे सामने
फैसल साहब, you try to understand this is not the ground for non-suiting you.
मैं सिर्फ आपको दिखा रहा हूँ सर।
This is not the ground.
साहब,
Election
आप
Commission
आर्ग्यू
के
करें
order
ना,
में है ही नहीं ये
इन
चीज।
चीजों में आप जा रहे हैं।
The only
not
thing is,
mentioned.
Lordship must
चलें,
see
okay, fine.
the unfairness of the election.
Why should we see the ground which is not mentioned in the impugned order?
ठीक, मैं सर एक पेज लिखवा दूं आपको बस। CMA नंबर 5944 of 2024, sorry, 5914 of 2024 sir, 5914 of 2024।
ये आपकी
जी सर, मैं सिर्फ पेज नंबर लिखवा रहा हूँ। इस पे पेज 12 पे JUIF का शुरू होता है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, और एग्जैक्टली वही क्लॉज पेज 16 पे, एंड दे हैव बीन गिवन 1 रिजर्व सीट्स फॉर नॉन मुस्लिम्स। लेट मी मूव ऑन।
कौन सा पेज है
सर? पेज 12 से शुरू होता है एंड पेज 16 पे वो क्लॉज है, उसका वो भी क्लॉज नंबर 3 है, नंबर 1
पढ़ दीजिए
जी। हर बालिग मुसलमान जमीयतुल उलमा इस्लाम का रुकन बन सकता है, बेशक वो बेशर्ते वो जमीयत के अखराज और मकासद से मुताबिकत हो, मुत्तफिक हो। थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सर। लेट मी मूव ऑन टू माई नेक्स्ट पॉइंट माई लॉर्ड।
तो आप क्या कहते हैं, जमीयत को नहीं मिलना चाहिए?
हाँ,
जमीयत को नहीं मिलनी चाहिए ऐसी सीट?
सर मैं कह रहा हूं हैव अ फेयर क्राइटेरिया।
भैया, आपका मौकिफ सुनना चाहते हैं।
सर मिलनी, इस केस में तो नहीं मिलनी चाहिए बिकॉज दे आर नॉट एंटाइटल्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन।
ठीक, आगे चलें।
बट लेट मी मूव ऑन टू माय नेक्स्ट पॉइंट माय लॉर्ड, which is I've been puzzled by the example by Justice Mansoor Ali Shah about independents winning, and whether that is really a fictional example. It's actually not. It has actually happened in one of the assemblies in this case. If your lordships may kindly see CMA number 5840।
प्लीज इस पे कामरान मुर्तज़ा साहब ने वजाहत दी थी कि ये फोटोकॉपी में मिस प्रिंट है और ओरिजिनल में ये प्रिंट ऐसा नहीं है।
अच्छा,
ओमिट ना करें इस बात को।
जी, वो वजाहत हवा में थी, अभी तक कोई कॉन्क्रीट एविडेंस। जब आ जाएगा तो फिर मैं भी वजाहत दे दूं। मैंने ये उनकी वेबसाइट से डाउनलोड किया है और मैंने कल भी चेक किया था, यही है और कोई और क्लॉज नहीं है। कामरान मुर्तज़ा, टू बी फेयर टू हिम, ही सेड देयर इज सम अदर क्लॉज व्हिच डील्स विद माइनॉरिटी, देयर इज नो अदर क्लॉज। इफ आई मे come to CMA number 5840 of 2024. This is by the Election Commission of Pakistan.
CMA number
5840 of 2024. The fictional example is actually not a fictional example. It has actually happened.
By the way, since you're on this point of Muslim, non-Muslim,
जी,
you only permit Sunnis in your party.
नहीं, ये तो वो नहीं
आपका नाम है, मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ।
सर, लेकिन ये क्लॉज कोई नहीं है, मुसलमान है जी।
बाकियों को आप मुसलमान समझते हैं?
नहीं सर, हम सबको मुसलमान समझते हैं। 5840 of 2024. This is by the Election Commission.
कौन सा पेज?
सर पेज 54।
जी, क्या दिखाना चाहते हैं?
जी सर, ये खैबर पख्तूनख्वा असेंबली में अगर आप देखिएगा, इंडिपेंडेंट्स के अलावा जिनकी 91 सीट्स थी।
ये कौन सा इलेक्शन है?
ये 2024 का। जो बाकी पार्टीज हैं उनको सिर्फ 18 सीटें मिली हैं इन ए हाउस ऑफ 115.
What page?
Page 54.
जी.
In a house of 115, they have got only rest of the parties.
You said it once.
18. उनको रिजर्व सीट्स कितनी मिलती हैं? 30. 26 वुमेन, 4 नॉन मुस्लिम. This is no longer a fictional example. It has actually happened in this case. This disproportionality. एक और पेज अगर मैं आपको दिखा दूं काइंडली, पेज 47. When it comes to National Assembly and women's seats from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, page 47. अगर पेज 47 पे देखेंगे तो नेशनल असेंबली खैबर पख्तूनख्वा वुमेन सीट्स के हवाले से PMLN 2, जमीयत उलमा पाकिस्तान 2, पीपल्स पार्टी पार्लियामेंटेरियंस 1. PMLN को 2 सीटों के अवज़ 5 सीटें मिली.
What is the point you're making?
5.
Are you saying the constitution should be interpreted on the basis of fairness or by the text of the constitution?
By the text, and the text says proportionate representation. That is my case before.
Of the list.
जी. No.
आपका तो एक सीट भी नहीं है ना
जी. Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Here it's a question of.
आप देखिए, मुझे बार-बार आपसे कह रहा हूँ.
जी जी.
You don't even realize how conflicted you are.
जी.
Again, you are mentioning PTI. You are not PTI.
No, I'm not mentioning. I'm
Yes,
simply.
you are, all the points that you made so far are regarding.
I am trying to show the disproportionality. और ये और clear हो जाता है by a very interesting clause in the Election Act. Election Rules 2017. अगर आप Section 96 देखिए, there is an attempt to define what proportionality is.
Let's say, with respect to you, does not even come within the parameters of reply. These are points they did not raise. These are points, fresh points you are raising.
ये point बार-बार raise हुआ था कि disproportionality किस तरह है, वो मैं दिखा रहा हूँ. I will not go.
फैसल साहब, एक बात ये बताएं कि
और ये आपने
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के टेक्स्ट में कहीं ये लिखा है कि ये रिजर्व सीट जो हैं ये दूसरी पार्टीज को दे दी जाए?
नहीं, हो ही नहीं सकता. मैं अगर आप रूल 96 देखेंगे, सब रूल 3, तो एक बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट लफ्ज इस्तेमाल हुआ है टू रियली शेड लाइट ऑन द टर्म प्रोपोर्शनेट. इफ योर लॉर्डशिप्स में काइंडली सी, आई विल रीड सब रूल 3 ऑफ रूल 96. If I may read. The Commission shall then declare elected to the National Assembly or, as the case may be, the Provincial Assembly such number of candidates belonging to each.
अगर आप 1 से पढ़ लें तो फिर क्लियर हो जाएगा.
जी सर, जी सर.
1 से.
Declaration of results by the Commission. The Commission shall calculate the total number of seats won by each political party separately in the National Assembly and each Provincial Assembly in the manner specified in Rule 94, and shall then ascertain the proportion of each political party of the seats reserved for the women and non-Muslim. Sub-Rule 2. On the basis of the calculation done under Sub-Rule 1, the Commission shall ascertain the number of seats to which each political party is entitled. Sub-Rule 3. The Commission shall then declare elected to the National Assembly or, as the case may be, the Provincial Assembly, such number of candidates belonging to each political party in order of priority, in which their names appear in the list provided by a political party. अब आप लफ्ज देखिएगा, as is equal to the number of seats to which the party is entitled to under sub-rule. The word equal. Is it equal? कि 18 जनरल सीट जीतने वाली पार्टीज को 30 सीटें मिल गई हैं खैबर
आपको तो जीरो मिले ना, तो आपको फिर जीरो मिलना चाहिए आपकी लॉजिक के हिसाब से।
सर मैं डिस्प्रपोर्शनैलिटी
नहीं देखें, ऐसे तो आर्ग्यू ना करें ना, आज तो आप अपने खिलाफ सारी बातें कर रहे हैं। आप पीटीआई का केस आर्ग्यू कर रहे हैं।
नहीं मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ।
आपको तो जीरो मिला है, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर लॉजिक आपको जीरो मिलना चाहिए।
नहीं, मेरी लॉजिक आई हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू एक्सप्लेन, बट आई लीव इट, व्हाटएवर आई हैव आर्ग्यूड आई लीव इट टू योर लॉर्डशिप। My lord, one novel way of trying to justify this disproportionality, and it is quite a novel way to justify it, is on the ground that this disproportionality should be allowed on the ground of positive discrimination in terms of Article 25. Now, this argument completely misunderstands the structure of Article 51, sub-Article 6, paragraph D, which is that the right belongs to the political parties. The beneficiaries are women. This right and benefit is governed by the higher principle of proportional representation. You cannot give women seats by adopting disproportionality. It would mean that you justify the end by the means.
So if I could take you to page 47 again.
Yes, sir.
How would you make it proportional?
Sorry?
What's the mistake here? Page 47 जो आपने रेफर किया था.
सर अगर आप देखिएगा
5 मिल गई ना, so how would you fix this? How would you, according to you, how would this get fixed?
This will get fixed by giving the seats to Sunni Ittihad Council.
How do you do the maths?
जी?
How do you do the maths?
सर इनको जो डिस्प्यूटेड सीट्स दी गई हैं वो सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल
6 सीटों पे 10 मिली है ना, ये आप कह रहे हो ना। टोटल रिजर्व सीट थी 10 और जो विनिंग पोजीशंस है वो डिफरेंट पार्टीज की वो 6 हैं
जी।
6 पे 10 तकसीम हुई हैं, ये आप कह रहे हैं ना, एक्चुअल से ज्यादा
जी। तो जो डिस्प्यूटेड सीट्स हैं दोज बिलोंग टू व्हाट दे कॉल इंडिपेंडेंट्स, बट दे आर नॉट इंडिपेंडेंट्स।
कोई ऐसा फार्मूला है कि जिसमें बताया गया हो कि आपको इतनी जनरल सीट्स में एक सीट मिलेगी रिजर्व सीट? अगर फार्मूला फिक्स है तो फिर तो बात बनती है कि आपने 10 सीट जीती है, 10 पे आपको एक सीट मिली।
And I immediately withdrew it, and they accept the withdrawal. But what they suppress from the court is what is available in CMA 5917.
Just a second, you need to pull that out. 5917.
5917.
ये आपने विड्रॉ किया, उसके बाद आपको क्या तस्वुर किया जाए, ये तो नहीं लिखा आपने इसमें।
मैं एक मिनट, bear with me, kindly see.
They're independent और PTI की
पेज 23 पे आइए, पेज 23 पे आइए जरा 5917 के। Sorry, not 23 is Kamal Shazab, my own
Page
ticket.
5917.
मैं एक लम्हा गया, apologies.
What should we see on 5917?
Page 144. Page 144.
Email again.
144 पे आ जाइए. This is the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf ticket issued to me. Kindly see at page 144.
Mr. Salman Akram Raja, we are dealing with the case of Ms. Shozab Kamal, not yours.
No, but they have chosen to file my documents. So I'm just demonstrating suppression. I'm just demonstrating that they have suppressed documents. Now at page 144 is my ticket, which
5914 में कौन सा पेज है? 5914 में
5917 में CMA 5917 page 144
मिलती नहीं है। 5917 निकालो, तुम सब मिक्स कर दोगे। मैं
point I'm making is that the documents that they have filed are not the complete documents which were filed before the ROs.
5917
Now,
but one thing.
डेट ऑफ सबमिशन इसमें 13 जनवरी की है।
PG 13 जनवरी है।
नहीं, 13 जनवरी नहीं है, 12 जनवरी है।
नहीं सर, काइंडली सी नीचे जो दस्तखत हैं।
ऊपर नहीं, आप ऊपर देखिए।
नहीं,
आप वो किसी के दस्तखत नहीं है। ऊपर जो तारीख
मुझे इशू हुआ 12 जनवरी को।
12 जनवरी को आप स्टैच्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन फाइल कर रहे हैं 13 जनवरी को और नजरियाती दिखा रहे हैं।
मैं अर्ज कर रहा हूँ ना सर, मुझे अर्ज करने दीजिए। ये 12 जनवरी को मुझे इशू हुआ, 13 जनवरी को मैंने ये फाइल कर दिया। नीचे आप देखिए रिसीविंग है, दिस इज द रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर। अगर आप इनकी
रिसीविंग को छोड़िए ना, मगर डॉक्यूमेंट तो एग्जिस्टिंग कर रहा था जब आप स्टैट्यूटरी डिक्लेरेशन फाइल कर रहे हैं।
मुझे अर्ज करने दें, आई एम जस्ट शोइंग द सप्रेशन ऑन देयर पार्ट। लीगल implications are a separate matter. Why have they not filed this ticket? This ticket is in fact even discussed in the 2nd February 2024 order passed by the...
But you filed it now. Make the point.
The point is simply this, that they have suppressed the record.
भाई चलें आगे बढ़िए ना please.
मुझे अर्ज करने दें, kindly. This is a very important point because this entire chart that they filed becomes very suspicious when your lordships realize that this chart is based on suppression of documents.
कौन सा पेज है ये?
Page 144.
Whatever they filed.
सर मुझे अर्ज करने दें एक लम्हे के लिए. It's very important. They've filed a chart and they've said इतने लोगों ने सिर्फ टिकट जमा कराया.
I think it's very important in this particular case because the questions have been raised regarding the fairness of the elections and the role of the election commission itself.
I'm grateful,
if it can suppress some material information from us.
From the Supreme Court, kindly see. So my ticket was duly filed with my nomination papers.
कौन सा पेज बोल रहे हैं?
Page 144, sir.
144.
जी. 144 of CMA 5917. मुझे इन्होंने कहा कि हम ये रिसीव ही नहीं करते आपसे टिकट because your party has not been declared entitled to a symbol. So they tried to return this to me. I, being the lawyer, I insisted. I said, no, you have to take it and give me a receipt that I've given you this ticket. That is why the RO signed it. The signatures that the court will see at page 144, dated 13/1/2024, are identical to the signatures at page 185, where I withdraw the Nazriati ticket. So what happened was, this ticket was filed. Then they said, sorry, we will not treat you as PTI candidates because the Supreme Court judgment is there, so withdraw your tickets. They actually returned the tickets. I refused to take it back. I said, no, I'm not going to take my ticket back. You, in fact, give me a receipt that I filed my ticket. And that is why this receipt was given to me. And yet, when they filed these documents with their CMA, they suppressed this ticket to say, I only filed...
Raja, you used the word 3-4 times. Can we make the point now?
The point is that the record filed by them is not reliable. Now let me come...
fine. Then is there anything preventing? The matter is being contested in open court. The document is on record. Yes. If any party disagrees, disbelieves with a document, they can file their document.
No, I've shown from this instance that the documents they have filed are not
in your possession. I'm sure everybody makes photocopies. Parties could have brought those on record.
But they're in their possession also. All I'm showing is that documents in their possession...
Can we get on with the case?
Not being filed. Yes, my lord. Now let me come to my 7 points. I was going to do this at the very end, but I've done it.
Mr. Raja, किसी ज़माने में गवर्नमेंट और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडीज बोनाफाइड लिटिगेंट समझे जाते हैं।
जी।
अब तो ECPP मुकदमा जीतने आई है like an ordinary litigant.
They are acting as if there are adversaries. They should be independent, impartial, arbiters of the election process.
They have come before us to behaving like an ordinary litigant.
Absolutely.
They want to win the case.
Their interest should be, I bow, their interest should be to give effect to the will of the people. I don't see that happening. The suppression of documents in the case they have chosen to highlight. I have not chosen to file my documents. They filed my documents, forcing me to file my ticket. Now let me read through my points, hopefully within 10 minutes. Number 1, Kanwal Shahzab's right to file the appeal and be heard. She heads the PTI Women's Wing. She was one of 2 whose name was included in the list for women's reserved seats filed by PTI. SIC has confirmed that she remains a leading contender in case seats are allowed to SIC. She is directly affected by the outcome of the proceedings before the SC. And I refer to pages 7 and 23 of CMA 5917, in which the list in which her name is included, the women's seats list that PTI filed is there. And at page 23 is the Sunni Ittihad Council certificate recognizing her as a leading contender for a women's seat if they are allowed. So she is not just anybody off the street.
Please, आगे बढ़िए.
Ji sir,
I mean, what's the point in making these statements off the street?
Lord, allow me to.
I mean, even if she's off the street, she's the highest respect. ये बातें ना करें.
उनकी
आगे बढ़ें,
that she is not entitled to maintain.
Please आगे बढ़िए.
Now, a political party can gain a general seat in 2 ways. Either when one of its ticket holders is declared successful as a result of polling, this would be a directly won seat, or an independent joins it. So general seats can be acquired in 2 ways. Either way, the party is said to have secured or won a general seat. The sole purpose of the proviso in Article 51(6) is to clarify, 51(6)(d) I should say, is to clarify that independents joining a party will be treated as seats won by that party. Nowhere does Article 51(6) speak of directly won general seats. That's a very important distinction. Directly won seats are on polling day. Other seats won are when independents join. They're both general seats. Reserved seats are to be allowed on the basis of general seats. Number 3, the issue of the grant or otherwise of reserved seats to SIC turns on how the phrases each political party and such political party as used in Article 51(6)(d) and E are interpreted, along with the words secured and includes. There is no clear statement that only parties with at least one directly elected seat may be allowed a reserved seat. The interpretation made must advance the basic purpose of the Constitution, which is a representative National Assembly based on facilitation of political parties in the electoral process and the affairs of the House. Granting reserved seats to other parties in a proportion greater than the general seats won would make the National Assembly unrepresentative. Number 4. The judgment of the Peshawar High Court is based on its interpretation of the word includes, and I refer to paras 15 to 17 of that judgment. In particular, I draw the court's attention to paras 15 to 17 of the Peshawar High Court judgment. It has held that since in interpretation clauses the word includes does not imply exclusivity, it cannot imply exclusivity in Article 51(6). It excludes political parties that exclusively consist of independents who have joined them. So this is the reasoning that
आप कहना ही चाहते हैं पीटीआई की होते हुए आप ये कहते हैं कि जो लोग सुन्नी इत्तेहाद में गए वो ठीक गए?
बिल्कुल ठीक है, क्योंकि हमें
आपको नहीं चाहिए?
नहीं सर, हमें इंडिपेंडेंट जब डिक्लेयर कर दिया उसके बाद वी हैव जॉइंड सुन्नी इत्तेहाद इन अकॉर्डेंस विद द लॉ, वी वर डिक्लेयर्ड इंडिपेंडेंट। उससे पहले जो भी हुआ वो इलेक्शन कमीशन की गलती है, फॉर दैट वी कांट बी फॉल्टेड। सो आई एम मेकिंग अ केस दैट वंस वी वर डिक्लेयर्ड इंडिपेंडेंस वी ड्यूली जॉइंड सुन्नी इत्तेहाद एंड वंस वी जॉइंड सुन्नी इत्तेहाद।
आपका स्टेटमेंट जरा एक दफा फिर आप सोच लें। सपोज अगर हम इस नतीजे पे पहुंचे कि वो गलत गए थे SIC में जी, तो आपको नहीं चाहिए?
नहीं सर, देखिए the constitution has to be interpreted.
ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, आप या चाहेंगे या नहीं चाहेंगे?
No sir, you will apply the constitution. My prayer is not going to constrain your interpretation of the constitution. अगर आप समझेंगे कि in these circumstances I should be allowed seats as PTI, I will not refuse obviously. But I am simply stating that acting on how the election commission treated us, they declared us independents, we therefore had no option but to join the Sunni Ittehad Council. We could not have rejoined PTI because Barrister Gohar was...
Whether that declaration by the election commission was correct?
In my opinion, not. I challenged it, sir. I challenged it. But that is where it